Darling, just hold me.
Hello everybody, welcome back to another video on my channel, Nature Gaming, and today I have a special guest, and here he is. This is my cousin Noah. So today, so I had some putty, right? And I put it into our freezer for 5 hours, and I haven't checked the results yet. But I don't know what it's gonna look like, and if you haven't, please hit that subscribe button and hit that like down below, and let's go check it out, guys. Okay. Okay. Can I get it? Yeah, you can get it. I want to grab it. Okay. Whose freezer is it? It's in this one. I think it's Alright, so it's in here. It's in here. Where is it Rally at? It's on the top right on that towel. Yeah, guys. Noah's getting it. Oh my goodness! It's like a rock. Guys, look at this. It's Right here. freezing. This was putty. It is now a rock. Oh my gosh. Let's get a good view. This was putty. That's as hard as a rock. Look at this.
I don't think we'll come back.
Okay. So now what we're going to try is we're going to put this underwater and see what will happen. Noah, can you hold the video? Alright. You see we got the sink here. We're going to put it underwater and see if it softens up. Okay, hopefully it does. Oh, I feel it starting to get soft. Oh, can this water destroy that? We have it right here.
Is it actually?
Not really, but it kind of is. Like, you
Oh,
can
yeah.
feel it. Let's try to get hot water, guys.
Like really hot, yeah.
Yeah, we're going to do it as hot as we can. So, guys, I have a challenge for you. Can you subscribe, turn notifications on, and hit that like button? You got 7 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2,
21.
0. Okay, hopefully you guys got that. Now I'm going to put it underwater and see the results. I'm going to try it. Okay, I placed it underwater now. Whoa, guys. This kind of looks different.
Yo,
Feel
no.
Guys,
Yo.
here, hear it?
It got way
different.
softer. You guys, I wish you guys were here.
Guys, look at it. It's falling.
It's almost like
Guys, it's
Italian
really-
ice.
That is insane. That is awesome. Guys, so if you have any putty, try this experiment. Just place it in the freezer for about 5 hours. And yeah, check the results. So that's going to be the end of the video. So if you haven't, go check out Noah Griffin's channel. It's great. Oh, you don't have a channel?
I quit it, yeah.
Yeah, he quit it, guys. Come on.
Savage.
Okay, so that's going to end the video. Goodbye, everybody.